The Volkswagen Sport Coupe concept, which does 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. The Evora 400, the fastest and most powerful production car from Lotus. Honda's new Civic Type R, which it calls a racing car for the road. And the Vulcan, Aston Martin's most extreme supercar ever, which blows flames out of its side exhausts. Car makers raced into Geneva for the 2015 Motor Show to deliver what Ford called a performance feast. There was an explosion of speed at the Auto Jamboree as both niche, high-end manufacturers and volume car makers tried to attract the eyes of the assembled media and generate buzz around their brands. Ford's stand displayed the Ferrari-like GT, first unveiled in Detroit earlier this year, as well as the Mustang, the blue-collar supercar that is coming to Europe for the first time. The US manufacturer also showed off the Focus RS, a turbocharged all-wheel drive, high-performance version of its popular European hatchback.
It's a real brand builder, it's affordable performance, it's a car that you can cruise down the high street on a Saturday night and show off and impress your mates with. It's also a serious performance car as well. It gives the whole brand a lift. It's a halo model, it excites sort of younger customers, new customers, it brings people into the showroom. Ford have always done it very well. I think it gives a whole sort of halo effect to the entire brand. I think Ford particularly are really trying to get back to doing this again. They're trying to sort of reinvigorate the brand, give it some excitement, some dynamism. And I think you saw that today with the product offerings on the Ford stand today.
Europe's car market is sorely in need of some of that dynamism. The industry is slowly emerging from 6 years of decline between 2007 and 2013. Sales grew by about 5% in the European Union last year, but auto executives stress that this is only a recovery, not growth. It is their hope that a dash of sportiness might turbocharge that recovery. But there's another reason why the volume car makers are seeking to sharpen up the performance of their product ranges.
Every manufacturer wants to get into performance cars because it's the easiest way adding performance to a car to ask for more money. And this is what drives the industry, profitability as well. Yeah? And adding horsepower has always been, since the times of the hot hatch, a way of getting higher revenue, getting higher margin.
For the likes of Ford, that challenge of squeezing out higher margins has been no greater than in Europe, where most cars are sold at a loss. But another challenge for the car makers is to produce power and performance with greater efficiency ahead of strict targets in Europe demanding lower carbon emissions. Ford's GT, Focus RS and Fiesta R2 each use variants of the company's EcoBoost engine, which is turbocharged and seeks to balance high performance with fuel economy. Lotus, meanwhile, has taken the lightweight approach, trimming any fat possible to reduce costs as well as improve efficiency. This is Andy Sharman for the Financial Times in Geneva.